Arshiya. This is Yogesh here from Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. Congratulations on your placement. Please tell me about yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Arshiya Kousar. I am from Anantapur. Recently, I completed my graduation in SRIT in Civil Engineering.
So, which course you joined here, Arshiya?
IDM, sir. Interior Design Management.
Sessions you attended here during your internship, classroom sessions?
All sections I attended, cut list sections, 2D sections, 2D drawing, 3D drawings, standard dimensions of kitchens, all about interiors. I attended classes.
Okay, and what about the software which you learned?
I learned AutoCAD and SketchUp, sir. Inkscape wheel.
And site visits, tell me about site visits with other factory, showrooms, experience center.
I went Glamwood, Homes Under Budget, Design Cafe, all this I went, sir.
What you learned there?
In Glamwood, I learned factory process, how the factory process is done. This is very helpful in interview for me. In interview, I answered all this only factory process. In Design Cafe, IKEA, I saw all the designs, how they kept in showrooms.
So tell me about the support from the trainers during your internship.
They are very friendly, sir. They give in positive manner. They will explain 2 to 3 times when I won't understand.
Okay, and what about the support from the staff?
They are very helpful, sir. Even I went for review. They gave all recorded sections. It is very helpful for me by listening all recorded sections also.
Okay. Tell me, like, how was the HR support guidance for your interview?
HR mainly supported to make all resumes, portfolios for me. She supported a lot.
And tell me the preparation and how many interviews you have attended?
Only first interview I attended, sir.
Good year. So you attended the first interview and then you cracked it.
Yes, sir.
Congrats. And tell me how you are prepared for the interview.
In starting, what they said in notes, I wrote. I wrote. That only I prepared for interview, sir.
So all the sessions what you attended, the notes and the news, same thing only you are prepared on that.
That only I prepared, sir.
Apart from that, what else you are prepared yourself?
Apart from here, staff helped me about how they will ask questions, how I want to answer the questions, like that they help.
So they are given the guidance like this.
Guidance.
You can expect the questions if they if they ask you like this, then you have to answer them. Fine. Tell me, like, what are the things you have learned here at CMTI you have not learned until college?
In college, we learned AutoCAD, simply drawing like that. Here we learned about interior, how to draw interior designs in AutoCAD, SketchUp. In college, we didn't have any subject. We don't have interior about plywood, all interior standards. Here I learned all interior standards also. At least all I learned here only. I don't know any I don't know about procurement at least. By coming here, I know at least procurement.
Fine. Tell me. Okay. So finally, tell me, like, what you would like to say to the students who would like to join CMTI or your juniors. What do you would like to say?
It is the best opportunity and the best platform to join, sir. By joining, you can gain some knowledge and you can get the job.
So you got the placement through awesome, right?
Yes.
Fine. Congratulations on your placement. Wishing you good luck for your future.
Thank you, sir.